Welcome to our technical specifications and performance review of the MEXTECH MAS830L Digital Multimeter. The MEXTECH MAS830L is an accessible, battery-powered electric circuit testing device. It features a 3-digit 1999 counts display and measures foundational electrical properties. The central dial selects the testing mode, with color codes dividing the functional zones. These include DC voltage testing, AC voltage testing, and resistance and current measurements. The black lead always connects to the COM port. Incorrect red lead placement based on the test type can blow the internal fuse. The 10A port is for unfused current testing only. The multimeter handles both direct and alternating currents up to 600 volts, meeting CE specifications. It offers a higher precision for DC measurements on small battery circuits. The device includes capabilities for DC current and resistance measurements, both with 5 ranges. It also features a transistor test and diagnostics for diode testing and audible continuity. The physical toolkit includes the digital multimeter, 1 set of test leads, a heavy-duty 9 volts battery, and an operator's instruction manual. It is very light and can operate safely up to 50 degrees Celsius. User feedback highlights the exceptional value and beginner-friendly interface. However, durability is a concern, and accuracy may drop over time, making it better suited for a low-cost learning tool. The MEXTECH MAS830L is the perfect training multimeter. It teaches core competencies without the financial fear of destroying an expensive instrument, serving as a disposable first step before graduating to professional tools.